welcome to my channel. On this episode, we're going to be cooking with quail eggs. Those of you who are not familiar with quail eggs, these are quail eggs. They're so small but high in nutrition. Okay, so I bought a couple of dozens of that, and after you peel off, this is how they look like. I'm going to be adding just a little bit of spices. So that's turmeric powder, mustard, coconut oil, curry leaves, and shallots. And of course, we need salt to taste. I'm also going to be adding the only chili powder that I'm going to be using is black pepper. Not chili powder, black pepper. So this is going to be an easy recipe, and it tastes much better if you use shallots rather than onions. Okay, so let's get the stuff going and actually see how this is done. On a medium to small skillet, I'm going to be heating up some oil. You could use vegetable oil or coconut oil or olive oil for that matter. I'm just using 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil for my recipe. Once that is well heated, I'm going to be adding 1/4 spoon of mustard, let that splatter. Fireworks has done its job. Let's add in a few shallots, thinly sliced. In goes a few curry leaves. And a small spoon of turmeric powder. You could make this recipe into your desire. You could add red chili powder, dry red chili, anything of that sort. This is my favorite way. Okay. I'm going to lower the heat and add in my eggs. On top of that goes our black pepper. Season that with a little bit of salt. That things will do. And this is done. When I'm making tiffin for my kids, I usually sneak one of these in their lunch boxes and they love it. So it's usually hidden inside of a rice bowl or inside something. It will be a surprise once they bite into it. So they usually ask for this. So this is ready. Let's turn off the heat. There you go, guys. That's our easy recipe with quail eggs with just a twist. You could add this maybe with tomatoes even, for that matter. It would be a great complement. The sauce, if you want it with gravy, I usually make this in a different version with salsa. I'll show you that next time. But please do give it a try. We all love this very much. I just bought 2 dozen, so I'm just not going to eat it right now. It's for my dinner for tonight. But give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you next time.